Who's from, we're almost from the same clan by origin. The Deputy Chairman South, the other National Working Committee members, the secretaries. Before I forget my secretary by the side, maybe because my friend, I'm trying to forget him. The state chapter chairman. Let me also acknowledge specifically my colleagues, the Minister of Humanitarian Affairs State, and other ministers here present, the other staff of INSIPA, and others. I count it a rare privilege, and I must appreciate God, National Assembly, National Working Committee members, and all the teaming loyal supporters of APC for resting this burden of trust on me. I count it a trust and a burden at the same time because it's quite heavy, it's large, but I know that I have people around me, lieutenants, supporters, friends, as members of the National Working Committee, that I've worked with them before. I've met all the members of the National Working Committee. I've met them in person, in one other form of service or the other, here to monitor election, or going for primary election elsewhere, or doing campaign in several states together with them. You've been my friends, you've been my partners, and I expect nothing less from you that we all join hands together as a team to work together to ensure that we expand this party, we increase membership, we deepen technology that you already started, and ensure that this party is transparent. This party enjoy the support of Nigerians, and even beyond the shores of Nigeria to diaspora. We recognize all the members of the party who are working for us too. It is you that has made this party tick. The trust that you have for APC and the Renew Hope agenda of Mr. President will ensure that we help the executive and the National Assembly will support them to ensure that we deliver the dividend of democracy to the people of Nigeria. Like I said in my acceptance speech, all of us here, especially the National Working Committee, we are the mechanics. The party is the vehicle. We will fix it, we will drive it, we will walk it, and ensure that we get to the destination of our choice. It's our collective effort, and I'm sure by the time we put our hand on the deck collectively, this party will be great. This party will be the joy and the pride and the bright of the entire nation. And that's what I look forward to this party becoming under our collective leadership. Last but not the least, is to appreciate Nigerians for supporting APC, standing by APC. Our doors are open. We welcome members, new members. Our doors are open. We look forward to having more governors, more senators, more National Assembly members, more local government chairmen, and more members of the party into our party. We will expand beyond bounds. I'm sure, by God's grace, 2027 is a done deal for APC. And to the members of the press, I want to thank you for what you're doing for our party, carrying the right spectre of our party, giving the right picture of our party, giving our picture a new dimension every day. Anytime I watch the TV, listen to the radio, and I see what you people are covering about our party, our successes, the economy every day is improving. Our revenue of the nation is improving. Every sector of the economy is doing better. And I see the reportage on the pages of newspapers and also among the television stations. This are things that I would like you to do. Keep on improving the reportage of our party. I want to appreciate you for what you are doing for us and for a nation. For every good reportage you give about this nation, for every image you give about this nation, we are doing it for our collective good. Because when the country is good, it is for all of us. If we destroy the image of this party, it's for all of us. So it's our collective good that we report and give a correct image and a good image of our party and our nation. Thank you and God bless you.
The National Legal Advisor position is zoned to the northwest, and the person already elected. Soon after this meeting, in the course of the NWC meeting, the new National Legal Advisor will be sworn in. I also want to inform you that earlier this morning, so that they won't say we have two deputy national secretary, my ex-wife predecessor, a gentleman par excellence who has rendered invaluable service to the party, and who incidentally is a very good brother and friend to our national chairman, tender resignation on the account of the fact that he will be politically inexperienced to have two senior NWC members from the same state. On behalf of the party, we acknowledge his courage, and dedication to the party. And he resigned without any prompting from anybody. It was because he knows the way the party works and is dedicated. We pray that God will guide his way, and very soon he will have cause to laugh and smile and be in higher position. So soon, today too, the new Deputy National Secretary, Professor Abubakar, will also be sworn in as directed by NEC. Thank you and God bless you.
Of Progressive Congress APC, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the party, and always in the interest of the integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the party as contained in its Constitution and manifesto. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my official decisions. That I will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the party. That I will do right to all members of the party and to all manner of people according to the law, without fear of favor, affection, or ill will. That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or become known to me as an officer of the party, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as an officer of the party. And I will devote myself to the service and well-being of members of the party and the people of Nigeria, so